A bathroom vanity is one of the most used fixtures in your home, and the wrong choice, poor construction, swelling cabinets, or drawers that fail within a year, is an expensive mistake to fix. Here are 5 of the best options available under $1,000 right now. 1. DELUXE Living 36-inch. The DELUXE Living 36-inch vanity earns the top spot because it combines furniture-grade cabinet construction with a solid wood frame at a price that most comparable vanities cannot match. The dovetail drawer joints are the standout construction detail here. A dovetail joint interlocks the drawer sides without relying solely on screws or staples. In a bathroom drawer that opens and closes multiple times daily, that mechanical interlock prevents the joint from loosening over time in ways that standard butt-jointed drawers cannot. This is a construction standard associated with quality furniture, not entry-level cabinetry. The solid wood frame resists moisture-related swelling and delamination. MDF and particle board, common in vanities at this price, absorb moisture at the edges and joints over time, which causes the cabinet panels to swell and the finish to bubble. Solid wood handles humidity exposure significantly better in a daily-use bathroom environment. Soft close doors prevent slamming that loosens hinges and damages finishes. Adjustable leveling feet allow the cabinet to sit level on uneven tile or floor surfaces, a common issue in older bathrooms. The pre-assembled cabinet reduces installation time considerably. For a single sink bathroom in the 36-inch range, this is the most durably constructed choice under $1,000. 2. ALTAIR 48-inch Modern Fluted. The ALTAIR 48-inch vanity is built for homeowners who want a larger single sink vanity with a contemporary design and construction materials that justify the higher price within the under $1,000 bracket. The cabinet is constructed from kiln-dried solid fir wood and plywood. Kiln drying removes residual moisture from the wood before it is cut and assembled, which reduces the likelihood of warping and cracking after installation. Plywood panels resist moisture penetration more effectively than particle board because of their cross-grain layer construction. Together, these materials make the cabinet more dimensionally stable in a bathroom environment than MDF-dominant alternatives at the same price. The engineered stone countertop is non-porous by composition. Unlike natural marble or granite, it does not require periodic sealing to prevent staining from water, toothpaste, or cleaning products. For a bathroom vanity surface that takes daily contact with liquids, that low-maintenance characteristic has practical long-term value. The fluted door design is the dominant aesthetic in bathroom design in 2026, making this vanity a relevant choice for homeowners upgrading for resale value as well as personal use. The flip-down drawer in front of the sink basin adds accessible storage in a space that most vanity designs leave empty. For a 48-inch single sink installation, where both build quality and contemporary styling matter, this is the strongest option in the category. 3. AMERLIFE 60-inch. The AMERLIFE 60-inch double sink vanity delivers solid pine wood construction and 2 integrated sinks at a price point where most competitors use MDF or particle board frames. A 60-inch double sink vanity under $1,000 in solid wood is uncommon in this category. The majority of double vanities at this price are built with MDF cabinets that absorb moisture at cut edges and joints, particularly around the sink cutouts where water contact is most frequent. Solid pine handles that moisture exposure more reliably over years of daily use. The numbered parts assembly system is designed for completion in approximately 30 minutes. Each component is pre-labeled, and the hardware is sorted and numbered to match the assembly sequence. Buyers and verified reviews consistently confirm this timeline, which makes this a practical option for homeowners completing a bathroom renovation without professional installation help. At 60 inches, this vanity provides individual sink and counter space for 2 users, relevant in a master bathroom or a shared family bathroom where morning schedule conflicts are a daily friction point. 3 storage drawers and adjustable shelves behind the soft-closed doors accommodate 2 people's toiletries without the cabinet becoming cluttered. For homeowners who need a double sink solution and want solid wood construction without exceeding a $1,000 budget, this is the clearest value available. 4. Virubi 30-inch. The Virubi 30-inch vanity is the most practical choice for smaller bathrooms where a 36 or 48-inch unit physically does not fit but storage and build quality still matter. The tip-out drawer in front of the sink apron is the feature that separates this from other compact vanities at this price. The apron panel in front of a sink basin is typically decorative dead space. Virubi converts it into a shallow pull-out drawer accessible from the front, useful for storing items that need to be within immediate reach at the sink, such as cotton pads, dental floss, or small toiletries. Most vanities at this size omit this feature entirely. The CA-compliant MDF panels confirm the composite wood components meet U.S. formaldehyde emission limits set by the Toxic Substances Control Act. This certification is relevant for an enclosed cabinet in a small, often poorly ventilated powder room where off-gassing from non-compliant materials accumulates more readily. The solid wood frame supports the structure while the waterproof painted finish protects the exterior surfaces from daily splash exposure. Soft close hinges are included. The pre-drilled 4-inch center set faucet opening is compatible with the majority of standard single-hole and center set faucets currently available. For a powder room, a small ensuite, or any bathroom under 50 square feet, the Virubi provides the most complete storage solution in the compact vanity category. 5. AMERLIFE 48-inch. The AMERLIFE Farmhouse Vanity delivers a 48-inch solid wood cabinet with sliding barn doors at the lowest price in this group, making it the most accessible option for homeowners on a tighter budget. The sliding barn door design has a practical function beyond its visual appeal. Standard hinged vanity doors require clear floor and wall space on the swing side to open fully. In a bathroom where the vanity sits close to a toilet, a wall, or a door frame, that swing clearance is often not available. Sliding doors operate on a wall-mounted track and require no floor clearance at all, which makes this vanity fit into tighter bathroom layouts that a standard hinged door cabinet cannot. The deep integrated basin handles larger washing tasks, rinsing hair, washing bulkier items, without water spilling over the rim onto the countertop or floor. Open shelf storage below the basin provides accessible space for towels, baskets, or frequently used items without requiring a door to open. The solid wood frame resists moisture exposure at the structural level. At this budget price, solid wood frame construction is a meaningful build quality advantage over fully MDF alternatives in the same price range. For a farmhouse-style bathroom, a tight layout, or a renovation where the budget needs to stay as low as possible without sacrificing construction quality, this is the most practical choice.